Select Amazon SageMaker and start by spinning up a notebook instance. Go to Notebook Instances selection in the main menu. We'll need to give this notebook a name. Call it whatever you want as long as it's unique. We'll use the default notebook instance type of a T2 medium. That's more than enough for this example, but be aware of the requirements of your algorithm. If it is compute limited, a C instance is recommended, and if it can take advantage of GPU, a P instance could be used. Elastic inference is a way of accelerating SageMaker, and you can choose to add on specific instance types that are called ML.EIA. that will sit in front of SageMaker and accelerate any request that you make to it. From a security standpoint, we can use IAM and create a new role with default permissions. So we'll say create a new role. Here we can specify specific S3 buckets that we want this notebook to have access to. Any S3 bucket with SageMaker in the name will be allowed by default. If you want to be a little bit more permissive, you could say any S3 bucket within your account has permission, which is what we will do. I will allow root access to this notebook. You could use KMS to have the encryption key that's used to encrypt the data within the notebook. I have no need to encrypt the notebook data itself. This is not sensitive or personally identifiable information. If your use case requires additional security, you can apply the VPC here. You can also automatically have the notebook start with a Git repository. To manage multiple notebooks more efficiently, tagging is recommended. So now we just have to sit here and wait for that status to go from pending to something that indicates that we can actually use it. When you are done using it, remember to stop the instance, or you will incur additional charges. To follow the latest AWS features, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video.